We'll guide you through how to integrate Asana with Salesforce, ensuring seamless project and task management across both platforms. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Salesforce account and navigate to the App Exchange. You need to search for the Asana for Salesforce integration. Once you find it, click on Get It Now to start the installation process. Make sure you're logged in with your Salesforce credentials to proceed. Follow the prompts to install the integration, choosing whether you want it for admins only or for all users. After installation, go to your Salesforce homepage and find the Asana tab in the navigation bar. If it's not visible, click on the App Launcher, search for Asana, and add it to your navigation bar for easier access. Next, you need to authenticate your Asana account. Click on the Asana tab, then go to the Settings section where you'll see an option to connect to Asana. Click on it and log into your Asana account when prompted. You'll need to authorize Salesforce to access your Asana data, so ensure you're comfortable with the permissions being requested. Once connected, you can start creating tasks in Asana directly from Salesforce. Open any Salesforce record, such as an opportunity or account, and you'll see an Asana section in the related list. Here, you can create new Asana tasks and link them to your Salesforce records. This integration allows for real-time updates between platforms, so any changes you make in Asana will be reflected in Salesforce, and vice versa. If you run into any issues, check your permissions in both platforms to ensure everything is set up correctly. Also, consider customizing the integration settings to fit your workflow needs better. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.